guys, welcome back to SMB Designs. It is Thursday and we are beginning the book of 2nd John, beginning and ending. It is a very short book, but I will be reading to you the background history as well as the book itself in this one video. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment if you can, and subscribe, of course. So let's just jump in. And the authorship, both 2nd John and 3rd John, are attested later than 1st John because they were too brief to be cited often by early church fathers. Usually, letters of this length are too brief for stylistic comparison. Nevertheless, the style, as well as the theology, is close to that of 1st John, and this points to common authorship of the three letters. The genre is both 2nd John and 3rd John are letters, unlike most NT letters, New Testament letters. 2nd and 3rd John are both the length of most surviving ancient letters. The average ancient letter required only a single sheet of papyrus. The background. 2nd John addresses the same central error that 1st John addressed. The false teachers may respect Jesus as a great prophet like John the Baptist, but they do not recognize him as the supreme Lord in the flesh. Some scholars think that they may have been affiliated with or been forerunners of Cerinthus, I think that's how you say it, who distinguished the divine Christ and the human Jesus, or the Docetists, who claim that Jesus only appeared to be human. Such beliefs would have made them more acceptable to their culture, but contradicted the eyewitness testimony of those who knew Jesus personally. Okay, at a quick glance, the author, the Apostle Paul. The audience, the lady chosen by God, probably a local church in Western Asia Minor. The date, it was written between AD 85 and 95. The theme, John writes to urge discernment in supporting traveling teachers, since false teachers were also traveling and teaching heresy. Okay, so that's our introduction. So we will go to our regular NET Bible to read the book. 2nd John, Introduction and Thanksgiving. From the elder to an elect lady and her children, whom I love in truth, and not I alone, but also all those who know the truth, because of the truth that resides in us and will be with us forever. Grace, mercy, and peace will be with us from God the Father and from Jesus Christ, the Son of the Father, in truth and love. I rejoiced greatly because I have found some of your children living according to the truth, just as the Father commanded us. But now I ask you, lady, not as if I were writing a new commandment to you, but the one we have had from the beginning, that we love one another. Now this is love, that we walk according to his commandments. This is the commandment, just as you have heard from the beginning, thus you should walk in it. For many deceivers have gone out into the world, people who do not confess Jesus as Christ, coming in the flesh. This person is the deceiver and the Antichrist. Watch out, so that you do not lose the things we have worked for, but receive a full reward. Everyone who goes on ahead and does not remain in the teaching of Christ does not have God. The one who remains in this teaching has both the Father and the Son. If anyone comes to you and does not bring this teaching, do not receive him into your house, and do not give him any greeting, because the person who gives him a greeting shares in his evil deeds. Though I have many other things to write to you, I do not want to do so with paper and ink, but I hope to come visit you and speak face to face, so that our joy may be complete. The children of your elect sister greet you. That is the end of the book of 2 John. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps this to get out to more people. And I will look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Have a great week. Bye.